Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. All right, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making homemade cayenne pepper powder. Okay guys, so I'm going to make some cayenne powder with the cayenne pepper that I just harvested. So I already washed and had my cayenne pepper drying, so it's all dry. So now I'm going to get it prepared for drying. I'm going to dehydrate these peppers. And what I want to do is save the seeds. So I'm going to try to get the seeds out of here. You know what? I think I better put on some gloves. So you can get this membrane out. All right, so we have one cayenne pepper here. Let me slice this into strips to make it easier for drying. All right, so now I'm going to put this in my dehydrator. Here we have our cayenne pepper. So guys, I think my cayenne pepper is dry enough. At least I'll be able to make cayenne pepper flakes. Did you hear that? You can hear a crack. I think it's dry enough, at least for me to be able to use my spice grinder and get it into cayenne pepper flakes. Okay, so I have my spice grinder here. So I'm going to take out the dried cayenne pepper and just kind of put it in here. All right, let me just rest this down here. So guys, if you're interested in the food dehydrator that I use, you can check my Amazon storefront for it. All right, so now we're going to cover. Oh my goodness, I whiffed on that. Guys, you need to be careful. Next time, don't open it right away. All right, well, there you have it, folks. Our cayenne powder made with our very own cayenne pepper that we grew in our garden.